MarginNote 4 also organizes your documents with categories that act like tags to complement your folders. The down-facing arrow has a drop-down menu with all the categories you have in the app. At the moment, we only have two, all and uncategorized categories. So we'll create a new category by going to the new tag icon. And after naming our category, we can save it. Once you have your categories, you can start tagging or organizing your documents. And a document can belong to several categories. It doesn't matter where your document is located, you can tag your documents with categories from any folder in the app. So we could go into the iCloud folder and choose a document to add a category for. Changing a category is exactly the same way as if you're picking a category for the first time. The only difference is that you have to untick the categories you don't want and tick the ones that you do want for your document. Each category, like your folders, has a 3 dots icon to help you organize it, to create levels if you want those in your categories.